Hey there. So, let's dive into some exciting developments shaking up the tech world. First up, Europe is on the brink of an AI revolution, and it's all thanks to NVIDIA's visionary CEO, Jensen Huang. At the GTC Paris event, he unveiled some groundbreaking plans. We're talking about Blackwell powered factories, sovereign clouds, and agentic AI. These innovations are setting the stage for Europe to build a formidable intelligence infrastructure. It's not just about tech, it's about driving innovation and boosting economic growth across the continent. Imagine a future where quantum AI platforms and industrial AI clouds are the norm, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotics and beyond. Now, shifting gears to the Lone Star State, Tesla's making waves with its Robotaxi launch in Austin. It's a bold move, testing self-driving technology in a place where regulations are, well, a bit more relaxed. But with innovation comes scrutiny, especially when safety is on the line. Elon Musk's vision for Tesla's future is ambitious, and this launch is a significant step in that direction. It's a fascinating time for autonomous vehicles, and all eyes are on Texas to see how this unfolds. Meanwhile, over at Meta, there's a new AI lab in the works, spearheaded by Alexander Wang from Scale AI. Their mission? To chase after superintelligence and dominate the tech landscape. It's a bold pursuit, and if anyone can pull it off, it's this team. The race for AI supremacy is heating up, and Meta's not holding back. And hey, if you're looking to get a quick handle on AI, there's a nifty way to do it. The Rundown AI newsletter offers bite-sized 5-minute updates on the latest in AI. It's perfect for those of us with packed schedules, but a thirst for knowledge. You can double your productivity by learning how to leverage AI effectively. It's a no-brainer for anyone wanting to stay ahead in this fast-evolving field. Lastly, for all you aspiring traders out there, the Only Traders Trading Club is where you want to be. It's a vibrant community offering transparent resources and trading insights. If scalping futures is your thing, this is your gateway to thriving in the fast-paced trading world. You'll unlock proven techniques and be part of a supportive network. Just remember, always do your own research before diving into investments. And there you have it. From AI revolutions in Europe to Tesla's bold moves in Texas and the latest from Meta, it's an exciting time in tech. Stay curious, keep learning, and who knows what innovations we'll be talking about next.